What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today I'm going to turn my very first Junior Gent 2 rollerball pen. It's going to be a good one. The blank is from Greg Bonnier. It is a walnut burl, I don't know if it's a burl, but it is a walnut and Alumilite hybrid blank. And the pen kit, the Junior Gent 2, came from Chad Schimmel over at Turner's Warehouse. So let's go get turning. thanks for hanging out with me on this one. Here is the finished product. The pen comes with a postable or non-postable option. So that's this piece here. Basically, that just means that you can either choose to have the cap screw on or not screw on. I chose the postable option, so it screws on the top so I can write with the pen and have the cap there so I can write. So that's a nice option. I think this blank turned nicely. I really enjoyed it. I tried a few new things, and I really like how this one came out. So yeah, that one was a lot of fun. Make sure you check out my website, cross-cut-creations.com. I'm also on Patreon if you want to go that route. If you search Crosscut Creations under Patreon, I'll also have the link in the description. You can support that way. If you like this video, make sure you give it the thumbs up, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you share the video with your friends, and we'll see you next time.